Okay, just to save us some time, I just unscrewed the 4 screws here. And this can pop right off. Oh! Okay, don't do that. But okay, as you can tell, I've upgraded the wires inside mine because what was in there popped off. So, anywho, as to what we are doing here. This part accidentally popped off. This is just your volume there. You can pop it right back on. Alright, so there should be 1 screw in here for the motherboard, right here. Be careful not to strip it. Because if that's stripped, then you're kind of SOL there. Okay, now, very carefully, we're going to want to pop this off here. Which you can do by pushing on the button from behind here. Just push through here. And this will pop right out. Be careful though, because of the... That's just the volume there popping out. Be careful because of these cords here. They are very thin. And we do not want to mess them up. Am I forgetting something here? No. Just pops up and comes out, I believe. Oh, just like that. Okay. So yeah, just pop it up and slip it out. But be very careful. Just very careful. Oh wait, before we flip it over, I'm gonna have to resolder something here. I swear to God I am. Okay, so see these 2 clips right here? Little plastic clips, you want to push those in. And then you flip this over here very carefully. And you can pop this right out. And there's just 2 springs here. They go on each one of the stands there. Just like that. 2 springs. That comes right off. Then you got easy access to your buttons there. And I already taped over them, so I'm not going to redo that because I probably would mess that up. But anyway, putting it all back together now. Make sure you got the 2 springs on there. And you push them over their thing there. That pops in place. And you're good to go. Now you very carefully align everything back up here. Oops. I just powered it on there. Okay, hold on. Something's up here. There we go. Okay. Then you just pop it back into place there. Grab your screw that you took out. Put it on your screwdriver there. Okay. And here, let me also, while we're here, we're going to check the voltage and make sure that the battery's not bad. So how we're going to do this is we are going to get our multimeter here. Power that on. We want to go with volts there. Okay. So can you see that? I believe you can. What we're going to find here is battery and ground. So battery will be our positive and ground will be our negative here. So you want to touch it to positive and negative there. We got, okay, that didn't help us. Maybe if we go here. Positive, negative. Make sure you're on the leads. So our battery is at 3.84 volts, which is good. its nominal voltage will be 3.7, I think. I did not look into the battery, but that's, if it's a lithium, that'll 3.7, 3.6 will be the nominal, which is when it's considered dead, I think. I'm not a battery expert, so bear with me. But yeah, just to check your voltage there to make sure that your battery's all good, you want to check you want to put your positive on the bat and your negative on the ground negative, or ground R. Any ground I think would work, but then just putting it back together is as simple as popping this back on. Make sure everything's all nicely aligned. Oh, I lied to you. I forgot to put my volume back on here. So let's do that real quick. Bam. Make sure it spins. It's all good. Then you pop everything all back together. Put your screws in, and you're good to go. Hopefully this helped someone out. Have a good day.